Hey, what's up? Steve Lucen here for Halucinated Studios. We are here at Hello Meadow. This is our first time projection mapping. We're popping up right now. Come, let's take a look. So the idea here is that we are going to take our short throw projector, mount it onto this. We call it a cranky Yankee, but it's a tripod. We're gonna projection map the wall from floor to ceiling, capture all of this. This is gonna be a collage of throwback videos. There's a party called Love and Culture on Saturday. We're gonna record the visuals, put it on a media player, hit play, put it on loop, set it and forget it. Now it's a tough weekend for us because it's Valentine's Day weekend. So that's why we're doing this approach. It's still gonna be very effective because it'll serve as a nice background. But typically we could come in here with our laptop and trigger everything live, add effects to it, change the visuals up, and have a lot of fun VJing.